Dear students, very good morning. Today I am going to explain you letter writing for your revision of the chapter letter writing before the examination. Well, the questions will surely come from this chapter also in your examination, where you will be given a question from this chapter, the letter writing unit 1, and out of 4 given options you have to tick the correct one. So let us understand it and revise it before the examination. So letter writing operates as a link between friends and relatives, etc. That means letter writing has been one of the oldest means of communication between uh, two people living at a distant place. Nowadays, its importance has much been increased because it plays a major role in official functioning of the public and private organizations. Sometimes we need to write business letters of some sort. So it is an important activity of our life. So we are required to know how to write good letters. This is not possible overnight. You just have to do a lot of practice. You will need to develop language skill, then only you will perfect this art of writing letters. But here for the examination and for now, we'll first understand what are the types of the letters and what are the parts of the letter. So let us see types of the letters. Letters can be classified into different types, but basically they are classified into two types: informal letters and formal letters. Let us understand them one by one. Informal letters are actually personal letters. These letters are written to your friends, your relatives, etc. So you can say informal letters are such letters which is also unofficial. That means it is a personal letter, and it is written mostly to your friends, your relatives, your nearer ones. Let's talk about formal letters. Business and official letters like applications, letter to companies, letter to offices, letter to the editor of the newspapers, and etc. are classified under formal letter. So, if we talk about the parts of the letter, so different type of the letters have slightly different parts, but certain matters are common to all the letters. So let us see them. A letter generally is made up of the following parts. The head, first one is the heading, and heading has two parts. The first one is the writer's address, the next is the date. Then we have inside address, next to that we have the body and the text. Then the signature or the name of the writer of the letter. Then it also includes salutation and subscription, the recipient's address. So we'll learn them one by one. First of all, we'll know the details of the heading. Well, the writer's address goes into the top left hand corner. It means you have to write the writer's address into the top left hand corner. If the letter has many parts, so you have to write each parts in a different line, in a separate line. It should be written in a straight line, okay, and it may be well punctuated with commas and full stop. However, nowadays punctuation marks are optional. You can use punctuation marks, you can leave it also, because the modern usage of the grammar allows us to leave the punctuation mark, at least while we are writing the address of the writer. And the next one is date. So it goes under the address. That means just after the address, just below the address, you have to write the date in which the letter is being issued, then it can be written in any of the following ways. First one is 20 July 2011, July 20 2011, then 27 2011, 20th July 2011, 20th July, comma 2011, then 20 hyphen 7 hyphen 2011. So they are the different kinds of the letters. They are the different kinds of the date. You can follow either of them.